Hi everyone, Erika here. Happy 2020. Here's a little song. I'm going to share it right now before I lose my courage. I got a bit of inspiration yesterday. Okay, here we go. Come on babe, why don't we take a hike? With Edgewalkers, go online, who knows what we might like. With Edgewalkers, walking tours, fantastic wilderness. Your creativity will bring you happiness. Adventure's calling you, there's no need to be blue with Edgewalkers. Boom, boom, boom. Come on mate, let's go on a retreat. With Edgewalkers, live your life to your own drum beat. With Edgewalkers, morning yoga, then the Cape to Cape, followed by some games to stop the same old tape. You'll eat a vegan meal, and great is how you'll feel with Edgewalkers. Bum, 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 walk with us, we love wildflowers here. At Edgewalkers, come to the Fitzgerald Biosphere. With Edgewalkers, hotspot of biodiversity. Nowhere else on earth with this much density of eucalyptus trees and species you will see with Edgewalkers. Oh, wild-type mountains in Mongolia with Edgewalkers. Oh, bears and volcanoes in Kamchatka with Edgewalkers. Oh, the Cape to Cape is epic. Come and be intrepid. Book your tours and your retreats with Edgewalkers. Here's to a very playful, fun, and creative 2020. Mwah.